In this video we'll talk about the canvas. Now the canvas in Sketch is infinite in size, and you can scroll as far as you want in any direction, so you have complete freedom on how you set up the drawing area. Now if we actually want to create an artboard, we can simply go on the very top left and under the plus button you can click on artboard, or also create it via the keyboard shortcut A. Now the first thing you can do is to simply click and hold the left key, the left mouse button, and you can create your canvas in a organic way. And as you can see at the very bottom right, since I haven't released yet the mouse, you can actually see the preview of the size in the width and the height. So if you actually release now, you can see that an artboard has been created. And in order to zoom in, what I do usually is to use the keyboard shortcut command and use the scroll wheel of my mouse, or in this case, since I have a magic mouse, I'm just using the touchpad on top of the mouse. And basically you can see that you can zoom in and zoom out. Now in order to zoom in and zoom out, you can also go on the very top and you can actually see the percentage of zoom where you're currently at, and you can click on plus or on minus. And as you can see, by using this option, you're going to work in increments which are more regular. But if you want a more organic way, you can simply use command plus your mouse. Now on the right, you can see the width and the height of the artboard that we created. And we will explore and talk about artboards in more depth in a future video. So this is it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.